Here's a linking procedure for a LOR FRZ radio. You're going to need a pair of needle nose pliers, a flat screwdriver, and first thing you're going to do is disconnect this connector right here. You see a little gray jumper wire in here. What we're going to do is we're going to remove this red plug right here in number 1. Then we're going to take this wedge out and we're going to de-pin this gray wire from position 7 and we're going to put it in position 1. You're going to need your flat screwdriver to unlock the tab inside there after the wedge is out. After you've removed your wire from number 7 and put it in number 1, we're going to plug this back into our receiver. Make sure your power's off to your receiver when you do this. Now we're going to come over to our transmitter. We're going to hold this white button down. Our screen is going to give us directions here in a little bit. It's going to say hold for 5 more seconds, then release for link mode. Now we're in link mode. As you can see, the LED is flashing. It's flashing, that means it isn't linked. Now we're going to turn on the power to our receiver. Notice the LED has changed to solid. That means that we're now linked. We're going to go ahead and turn this off. We're going to disconnect this. And we're going to go ahead and take our wire out of number 1 and put it back into number 7. Reinstall our plug and reinstall our wedge. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and connect this back to our receiver. And we're going to make sure we cycle power to this. Now the power's back on. We're going to turn our transmitter back on. And we should see a little status of us being connected right here. We've got good signal. Got a power light here. And a link light here. Go up to our screen and we should have functions. See, yep. Looks like everything's working. That's all you have to do to connect an FRZ radio.